Hi, I'm Lynn, sales manager at Keewin. I'm at InfoComm 2026, and you are now looking at our latest indoor digital signage. We are offering this stretch display and in multiple sizes just to suit different needs for end customers to replace them with traditional like static signage, which has a higher requirements on the overall size. So you are looking at this one in for the 7.6 inch with 700 nits brightness, and for this square one, it is 22-inch display. These are just two samples we have here on the set, but we do have plenty more. I would say tens of different sizes optional in this series. So if you are really interested in this one, especially if you are looking for displays for your malls, for your supermarkets, grocery stores, chain stores, this will be a good fit. And please visit www.keewin.com to get in touch with us, and we will let you know what we can offer. Thank you.